Cardano is a mid-position coin with the ticker ADA that has a current worth of $0.312757 and a market capitalization of $10,942,356 when digital currencies have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors. These days, it's a resource class that is significantly directed and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate. Some huge venture banks even gain Cardano and other digital currencies as a group to safeguard their resources under administration, against the dashing expansion that disables the conventional monetary business sectors. Presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and long-haul forecast of the advancements on the ADA market that depend on the readings of our one-of-a-kind crypto unpredictability record that assists us with checking the market opinion and expect where in which the market means to go. At this point, the cost of Cardano is $0.312757, while the coin as of now ends up at 7th spot in the general positioning. The said positioning is assessed based on the resource's current value that is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, a recipe that is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients get the most pertinent information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios. It's likewise vital to consider the verifiable information that permits shaping the legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading. On July 18th, the cost of Cardano was at $0.312593 toward the finish of the exchanging timeframe, during which the cost change added up to 2.75%. 7 days prior, on July 12, ADA was esteemed at $0.292830, and that intends that from that point forward, the cost has vacillated by 0%. A month prior, on June 19, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at $0.260920. Hence, the coin has taken a 19.87% action to arrive at its current standings. Notwithstanding, as currently made sense of, the cost of Cardano isn't the main variable that we consider while making the cost forecast. It means quite a bit to watch out for changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to have a reasonable perspective on where the market is going. The examination of market capitalization conveys equivalent significance in both digital money and customary business sectors. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology is utilized to decide the general position and fame of computerized resources and stocks. For example, changes in market capitalization, positive or negative, are additionally demonstrative of the manner by which the said market may head, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both short and long-haul viewpoints. This specific measurement is likewise used to check the strength of Cardano, corresponding to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition. To decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of ADA, we duplicate the flowing stockpile, the boundary that will be made sense of later, by the current worth of the digital money under survey. Starting today, the market capitalization of Cardano remains at $10,942,356 when, which frames the reason for present positioning was referenced before. Recently, on July 18, ADA had a market capitalization of $10,934,639,527. Keep going week. On July 12, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $10,239,120,632. A month prior, on June 19, the market worth of Cardano was evaluated to be $9,112,002,539. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that have previously been delivered by different means, for example through mining. These digital currencies can be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers. This measurement additionally calculates the coins that have been deliberately eliminated through the interaction called consuming, which is applied to control the expansion rate. At this point, the absolute stock of Cardano is laid out at 35,983,607,756 ADA. In conclusion, the coursing supply is utilized to work out the market capitalization and evaluate the coins ongoing remaining in the positions. It means the general measure of ADA that is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million are the most appropriate for long-haul venture, since they are probably going to see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this crossroads, Cardano has a coursing supply of 34,986,801,308 coins. Likewise, high exchanging volume for the most part exhibits that the liquidity is streaming into that market, which shows the general revenue in the digital currencies and guarantees smooth execution of exchanges. In any case, it should be noticed that the information connected with the continuous exchanging volume isn't that much reasonable for making long-haul cost expectations. However, it generally gives important knowledge into the ongoing business sector circumstance. In this manner is urgent for short and mid-term cost conjectures did by our restrictive calculation. A brilliant digital money financial backer mustn't dismiss this metric while picking passage or leave point. The guideline here is to get into the activity when the volume begins to rise, when the cost is pushing out of the union region, and forsake the boat once the volume starts to drop after an impressive meeting. It's surprisingly better assuming those cost shifts occur in the areas that concur with generally high volume, which are normally shown through tall bars on the relating marker that is implanted in all crypto exchanging terminals. Taking care of that, we should survey the exchanging volume recorded on the Cardano market throughout the accompanying time spans. Throughout the course of recent hours, the exchanging volume related with ADA arrived at the place of $355,208,773. Recently, on July 18, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging timeframe remained at $273,610,152. 7 days prior, on July 12, how much ADA that was traded between market members was assessed at $198,810,582. Presently comes an opportunity to make sense of exhaustively the embodiment of the crypto instability record, CVIX, since it's a highlight of our cost forecast model that permits us to predict the way that Cardano will follow throughout the following 1 to 5 years. CVIX is the consequence of the careful work of our group of market specialists and programming designers that surfaced with a remarkable equation for checking and imagining the normal market unpredictability and enhanced it with the creative profound learning calculation that filters through a variety of verifiable market information to convey the best Cardano cost expectation in the business. Tomorrow, on July 20, Cardano will answer the exchanging action with a 6.37% move that will at last take the cost to the $0.332684 level. In 7 days, the cost of Cardano will stir things up around town mark as the consequence of a 16.57% move. In 30 days, ADA will approach the $0.257287 level inside a 17.74% cost modification. In a half year, Cardano